In today's fast-paced world, where time is of the essence and cleanliness is non-negotiable, innovative solutions have become essential. ScrubClean Pro stands as a testament to the power of innovation in the realm of cleaning products. This revolutionary brand has redefined the way we perceive cleanliness, offering not just products, but holistic cleaning solutions. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the world of ScrubClean Pro, exploring its history, the science behind its products, its impact on the market, and why it has become the go-to choice for cleaning enthusiasts worldwide. I have collected the buying link of this product and put it in this video description. You can buy it. 1. The birth of a revolution. ScrubClean Pro didn't emerge overnight. It was born out of a vision to transform the cleaning industry. Founded by visionary entrepreneurs, the brand set out to create products that were not only effective, but also environmentally friendly. The journey of ScrubClean Pro, from concept to reality, reflects a commitment to innovation and sustainability. 2. The science behind ScrubClean Pro. At the heart of ScrubClean Pro's success lies its scientific approach to cleaning. Unlike traditional cleaning products, ScrubClean Pro incorporates cutting-edge technology and bio-friendly ingredients. This fusion results in a range of products that not only remove dirt and grime, but also disinfect and protect surfaces. From advanced enzymatic cleaners to eco-friendly disinfectants, each product is meticulously crafted to deliver exceptional results without harming the environment. 3. The product range. ScrubClean Pro boasts an impressive array of cleaning products tailored to meet diverse needs. Whether it's tackling stubborn stains, disinfecting high-touch surfaces, or ensuring a hygienic environment, ScrubClean Pro has a solution for every cleaning challenge. From multipurpose sprays to specialized cleaners for specific surfaces, their product range caters to both households and commercial spaces. 4. Eco-friendly initiatives. In an era where environmental consciousness is paramount, ScrubClean Pro stands out for its eco-friendly initiatives. The brand is committed to reducing its carbon footprint by employing sustainable manufacturing practices and recyclable packaging. Moreover, ScrubClean Pro actively engages in community initiatives, promoting awareness about eco-friendly cleaning practices. By choosing ScrubClean Pro, consumers contribute to a greener planet, making it a choice that aligns with both efficacy and ethical values. 5. Impact on the market. ScrubClean Pro's impact on the market cannot be overstated. Its innovative products have disrupted the traditional cleaning industry, setting new benchmarks for quality and effectiveness. The brand's success can be attributed not only to its superior products, but also to its customer-centric approach. By actively listening to customer feedback, ScrubClean Pro continuously refines its products, ensuring that they meet and exceed customer expectations. 6. Testimonials and success stories. The true measure of a product's effectiveness lies in the testimonials and success stories of its users. ScrubClean Pro has garnered a loyal customer base that swears by its products. From homeowners to businesses, customers have shared their transformative cleaning experiences, highlighting how ScrubClean Pro has made their lives easier and spaces cleaner. These testimonials serve as a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. 7. ScrubClean Pro in the digital age. In today's digital age, ScrubClean Pro has embraced technology to connect with its customers. Through informative websites, engaging social media channels, and user-friendly mobile apps, the brand provides valuable cleaning tips, tutorials, and updates about new product launches. This digital presence not only enhances customer experience, but also fosters a sense of community among cleaning enthusiasts. 8. Conclusion. Embracing a cleaner future. In conclusion, ScrubClean Pro represents more than just a line of cleaning products. It embodies a cleaner, greener future. Through innovation, scientific prowess, and a dedication to customer satisfaction, the brand has redefined the cleaning industry. As we navigate a world where hygiene has never been more critical, ScrubClean Pro stands as a beacon of reliability, offering not just solutions but peace of mind. In choosing ScrubClean Pro, consumers are not merely buying cleaning products. They are investing in a healthier, safer environment for themselves and future generations. As ScrubClean Pro continues to pave the way for innovative cleaning solutions, it beckons us to embrace a future where cleanliness is not just a choice, but a way of life. Pros. Effective stain removal. Versatile cleaning. Gentle on surfaces. Quick action formula. Pleasant fragrance. Environmentally friendly. Easy to use. Cons. Limited availability. Strong odor. Is ScrubClean Pro safe to use on all types of surfaces? Answer. Yes, ScrubClean Pro is formulated to be safe for use on various surfaces, including tiles, countertops, floors, and more. However, it's always a good practice to test the product on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure compatibility with specific surfaces. Does ScrubClean Pro require dilution before use? Answer. No, ScrubClean Pro comes ready to use and does not require dilution. Simply follow the instructions on the label for the best results. Can ScrubClean Pro remove tough, set-in stains? Answer. Yes, ScrubClean Pro is designed to effectively tackle stubborn stains. For particularly tough stains, it's recommended to let the product sit for a few minutes before scrubbing the area for optimal results. Is ScrubClean Pro environmentally friendly? Answer. Yes, ScrubClean Pro is formulated to be environmentally friendly. It is made with eco-conscious ingredients, minimizing its impact on the environment while providing powerful cleaning performance. Can ScrubClean Pro be used in high-traffic areas and commercial spaces? Answer. Absolutely, ScrubClean Pro is suitable for both residential and commercial use. Its versatile cleaning abilities make it ideal for high-traffic areas, ensuring that surfaces remain clean and refreshed even in busy environments. In conclusion, ScrubClean Pro stands as a reliable cleaning solution, offering efficient stain removal and versatile application across various surfaces. Its powerful yet gentle formula ensures thorough cleaning while being environmentally friendly. The product's user-friendly nature and effectiveness in tackling stubborn stains make it a top choice for both residential and commercial cleaning needs, providing a refreshing and spotless environment with ease.